Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Odoo Invoicing accounting software. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you accept Apple Pay with your Odoo Invoicing? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to accept Apple Pay with your invoicing on Odoo anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes if you can make it easy for your customer to pay, it's less likely your invoices are going to age and go past due. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Odoo accounting software. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. Also, in order for this to work, you had to have already connected your Stripe account to your Odoo accounting software. If you need help with that, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. So this is assuming you've already connected your Stripe account to Odoo. If so, what you're going to do is click up here on this configuration button. Once you do that, in order to accept Apple Pay with your Odoo invoice, you're going to scroll down until you see this button here, Payment Providers. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all these different options, but you want to click on Stripe. You can see my Stripe is enabled and published. It needs to be in green for this to work. And all you're going to do is just click on this box. Okay, once you do that, you can see that my Stripe is enabled. And in order to accept Apple Pay with my invoices, you're going to click here on Configuration. Okay, so once you click there, you're going to see these three little check boxes down here. You want to check the one next to Allow Express Checkout. Once you do that, you're going to see this kind of purple box that says Enable Apple Pay. Click on there. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes, and now we can accept Apple Pay using our Stripe account inside of our Odoo Invoicing. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to accept Apple Pay in your Odoo invoice, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.